Understanding refreshed mulch, enhancing your garden's beauty. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a gardening-related phrase that's both practical and picturesque: refreshed mulch. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Refreshed mulch is a phrase made up of two words, refreshed and mulch. Let's understand them separately. Refreshed is an adjective coming from the verb refresh. It means to make something fresh again, to renew, or to restore its appearance or quality. Mulch refers to a material, like bark or compost, spread around or over a plant to enrich or insulate the soil. So, when we combine these words, refreshed mulch refers to mulch that has been recently renewed or replenished to maintain its effectiveness and appearance. Now, let's talk about why one would refresh mulch in a garden. 1. Aesthetics. Fresh mulch looks better, giving gardens a neat, well-cared-for appearance. 2. Soil health. Over time, mulch breaks down. Adding fresh mulch ensures ongoing soil enrichment and insulation. 3. Weed control. Fresh mulch helps suppress weeds, which can compete with plants for nutrients. Let's see how to use refreshed mulch in sentences. After adding refreshed mulch, my garden looked brand new. I spent the weekend spreading refreshed mulch around my flower beds. The refreshed mulch not only looks good but also helps keep the soil moist. And that's all about refreshed mulch. I hope this video helps you understand this gardening term and how you can use it in your English conversations. Happy gardening and happy learning! See you in our next video.